Hi there, this is Dr. Joseph Arvay, and I just want to welcome you to this little video that I made for you. That's my family. That's me on the far right with the hat on with the state of Ohio. And again, been in practice in Northglenn since 1992, started adjusting people in 1991, and this is my family. My wife and I, Eileen, have been married for over 33 years. We've raised four amazing children, but that doesn't mean our life has always been perfect. We've had our struggles, we've had our issues. My oldest daughter suffered with epilepsy seizures for the first half of her life. Because of that stress, cancer tried to invade my wife's body, and then my daughters and my sons. We've all had our issues. We've had our messes, but our message now is because of our messes, and we're strong because of our struggles. And so we have faced everything and anything that the world has faced. So when I ask and I reach out to you that I want to be your family chiropractor, it's because I've already earned the right to be a family chiropractor because I've taken care of my family. And so I just wanted to make this little video for you to learn more about us. I've been all around the world taking care of people of all different ages. I've been to two Olympics. This is Kayla Harrison, Olympic gold medalist in the sport of judo, 2012, 2016 Olympics. And she really enjoyed the style of chiropractic that we brought to her, even though she could have had any doctor she wanted, any nutritionist she wanted, any acupuncturist or massage therapist. Not saying this stuff is bad, but she chose the way that we do chiropractic in our office. And again, we've been in this healing business with God since 1991. The first year was in Ohio, and then ever since 92, we've been here in Colorado enjoying the sunshine. And literally, when I look at the numbers, I have done personally over 500,000 safe and effective adjustments, helping people, serving people, adjusting God's people, again, all around the world since 1991. And the secret to what we do, even though it's not really a secret, is we follow ancient wisdom. We use universal laws of healing. We follow what the Bible teaches, and we use what science teaches. Science teaches that all healing and all power and all strength comes from the nerve system. And we've been proving this to our family, to ourselves, to our world for over the last 30 years. It's real simple. If I take grass seed and I put it in the ground and then I water it, healthy grass will grow to be green. The intelligence, everything that seed needs is put there by God. If I do my part and I water it, then the seed grows to green grass. Everything that grass needs to be green is in the seed. But if I kink the hose and shut the water down, then that grass seed's going to warn me by making the grass go from green to brown. And if I don't find the problem, and I don't unkink the hose, then that grass is going to go from green to brown to dead grass. When I kink the hose, the grass has to respond one way or another. So the good news is if I find the kink in the hose and take it off, turn the water back on, then the grass seed knows what to do to make that dead grass go to brown grass and that brown grass go to green grass. And like I ask my patients, once we get you to green grass, how long do you want to live that way for? And they all say, well, the rest of our life. And so when I see a patient walk into my office, there's three levels of health that they can have. On the far right here, you can see that they could be dead grass health, which means they're always in pain. They're losing hope. They stop listening to everybody. They're on way too many medications. They have way too many organs shutting down. Their systems are shutting down. And they may think they have to spend the rest of their life in a nursing home. The one key thing I find with these people in dead grass health is that they have almost little to no nerve power going to an organ or to a part of their body. The second kind of person I see is I call brown grass health. Some days they feel good, some days they feel bad. They find that they're trying to use medication, though, to help them feel better, or shots or surgeries. Life is getting hard. Life's not fun. They begin to feel broken, and they're not okay with it. Well, the one thing I find with these people is a weak nerve power, a weak nerve supply. And then the third kind of person, the green grass health person, this is what my doctoring produces, if you will, is a strong body, a strong mind, ideal weight. They're so healthy that medication, shots, and surgery aren't really necessary because their body's working the way God designed it. For them, life is good, not perfect. There's still storms, but when you're healthy, you get through the storms of life. And the one key ingredient I find with these people is a strong nerve supply, strong nerve power. Now, in my office, there's literally 5 areas of doctoring that I do, but they're not all the same. The problem I find is America that we always run to the medication, shots, and surgery shield, right? And that's okay, but it doesn't make health. That's only for emergency situations. So in our office, yes, I do work on peace. I work on what we call shalom. We help people sleep better, find more shalom in their life. Yes, we work out with our patients on Saturday mornings. I have workouts on my YouTube channel to get them strong. Yes, I do customized nutrition testing and customized vitamin testing to have the right fuel going into the body. And yes, I learned how to help you protect yourself by what ingredients can make you brown grass and unhealthy, what ingredients are good for you. And so in my doctoring, I do work on your peace, getting you stronger as a personal trainer would maybe, working on customized nutrition and vitamins and how to protect all that. But the main thing is, how is the power in your spine working right now? That's the number one shield that I found with going around the world. The one thing that was missing from the Olympic athletes, the one thing that we kept strong in our family. And if you want to be green grass strong, a strong nerve power, strong spine is key, because what your garden hose is to your grass, your spine and nerve system is to your body. If you kink the hose, then the grass has to go to brown. If it stays kinked, then it has to go to dead grass. If your spine is strong, your body has to be strong. But if your spine is out of alignment, then the nerve supply gets weak. Then it makes your organs, your muscles, your emotions go weak. And if it stays stressed, if it stays kinked, then your body, your mind, your emotions have to shut down as well. And so the nerve system here on the left is the most important thing. That's where God put all the intelligence. That's where the intelligence of the seed is inside of you. And it runs everything. That's just not me talking. That's what science says. All the medical textbooks, everything out there says your nerve system runs everything. Your brain, your spinal cord, and your nerve system. Again, look on the far left there. There's your seed. That's you, right? And the first system formed inside that seed was the brain and spinal cord. And then for 9 months, that seed called you, that healing power that God put inside your body, put everything where it's supposed to be. So you have an amazing intelligence. Just like in the grass seed has the power and the ability to be green grass, in you is the power and the ability to live strong, to live healthy, the way God designed you to be. And the good news is that once you're born, then that same power of the nerve system keeps telling the heart to beat. It keeps telling the lungs to breathe. If you cut your finger, it tells it to heal. So everything you need to be healthy and strong comes off the brain and nerve system and spine first. So when your spine is strong, then you have a strong immune system, which is very important for these days. When your spine is strong, your digestion works better. When your spine is strong and getting adjusted, then you're able to move. You have good mobility. When your spine is strong, you have less aches and pains. When your spine is strong and getting adjusted, you have more energy. When your spine is strong, then you have better posture and you have better sleep. And that's what I have found over the last 30 plus years of life and practice with my family, with over 500,000 adjustments, with adjustments all over the world. I mean, our office is the place where people come to when medicine and ordinary chiropractic care has failed them and not worked. They come to us and they get amazing results. Again, how does this start? Many times it starts in the birth process. So what do? We have a special exam process, a thermography unit that helps us check these newborn babies the minute they're born to see if there's any stress on the nerve system. We don't want that baby spending 1 day in brown grass, dead grass land. We want to be in green grass strong. And so when's the best time to come see me? The minute you're born. Or if you're pregnant, come see me now so you can have a safe and strong and better birth. But if you're not a newborn and you're not pregnant, then we take x-rays, because an x-ray tells me exactly what's going on. And I don't just look for tumors and things like that. I look at measurements to measure your spine to see if it's in alignment or if it's out of alignment. If it's out of alignment, then it's causing damage to nerves, which then has a brown grass effect on your organs, your muscles, your emotions, etc. And again, I can see exactly how long your spine's been out of alignment based on the measurements, based on degeneration. I look for all of this stuff when I'm your chiropractor. And again, our adjustments are different. Sometimes there's no cracking and we use our adjusting tool to get the body healing. Sometimes we use our hands and there's lots of cracking. It all depends on what you prefer. but we get the job done and have been getting the job done for over 30 years. So again, this is my family. We are a family office. I like to say the healthiest families in the world come and see us. And if you want to make an appointment for you or your entire family to get strong and healthy, the first step is getting an examination and x-ray of your spine. And so right now, if you're looking for a good Christian chiropractor who has over 30 years of adjusting experience, then we have a special for you. We'll do a complete examination and thermography if you're newborn or if you're pregnant. And if you're not, then you get x-rays to see exactly what's going on. Then we'll jumpstart the healing process with 3 adjustments. And then we'll go over your x-rays, your exam findings, and come up with a plan that fits your budget, that fits your time frame, so that you can get healthy and strong and feel better. Normally, that cost of that special event, a week, if I call it a week, is $4.99 per person. But right now for you, because you're part of the Czech family, it's only $1.99. Or at $100, $2.99 for the whole family. You get an examination and x-rays, you get your adjustments, and then a time to go over to explain everything and get you on your way. What I need you to do is simply call the office right now at 303-457-8080 or text us at 303-457-8080 and we'll get you plugged in. Or you can go to spinegeek.com and there's a button that says New Patient Special. Just hit that button and make your appointment and we'll get in contact with you. So again, Dr. Joe Arvay here. So glad that I was able this time to talk to you and show you what we're all about. I look forward to seeing you in the office real soon. Bye-bye.